in 1950. Then the great love affair began. They soon got married in February of 1951 and didn't tell anyone. In fact, they went to Kingman, Arizona. They got in a couple.
The other side too. Look at this guy.
Oh, it is. I mean, I was in the hospital for 2 days with just the aftercare. I couldn't walk for about a month. And I was hard at the time.
Your boss goes like this. You know what that means? Hey, people. Beep, beep. Beep, beep. Watch out.
225, yeah, 200, 2 and a quarter, 2 and a quarter, 225,
I go.
Stop. How many dollars on the bottom of it?
Oh, I'm sorry,
All right, how many dollars on the bottom of it? $50. Now I'm going to get 50. Now I'm going to get 20 to 50. Now I'm going to get
Don't, hey, Lugnut's taping all this. No, he's gonna put it on the internet. He's gonna put it on the internet.